Good morning from Timor Leste. So in today's video I'm going to try and track down a bike box that I shipped from New Zealand here to Dili, Timor Leste. Now I have no idea where it is. I've tried chasing up the company that sent it, no response from them. So I've been told from someone here in Dili, Timor Leste, the best way is to head out to the airport and see if there's anything there. So I'm going to hop on my bicycle and head out there now. Reached the airport, pretty straightforward to get to, all along the one road. Labato. Turn at the roundabout there. And find out if there's any cargo that's sitting waiting. But yeah, I've heard there's a Qantas flight coming in from Australia on Wednesday, the first in a little while. So a good sign. Right, so I've checked at the airport. As you would expect, it's very quiet at the moment, and yeah, no luck. So using my little bit of Tetin, didn't work. Luckily there was a guy that speaks English there, luckily for me anyway. But yeah, he's pointed me to the customs office, which is just over here, and he said if it's here, then they should know. Okay, yeah, that wasn't so successful. Spoke to 2 or 3 people to check if there was any cargo from New Zealand, from Qantas courier, but no luck, I don't think. There might have been a bit of confusion about wanting to send the bike I'm currently on to New Zealand, and maybe bring out a fluent Tetin speaker to try my luck again. And maybe after the flight on Wednesday, which is also Qantas. But yeah, we'll keep trying. In the meantime, I'll keep using this bike. So whilst I'm out this way, I've seen a new supermarket called Grazia Supermarket. So I'm gonna head there and see what it's like.
And every moment when I'm with you is a blessing. No more stressing. So if you want to come and hold me, yeah, I know you need some cure for all the pain. What can I do? I keep falling for you. I'm falling true. I keep falling for you.
Praktika Tetin, it's one. Okay, so we stopped off for a coffee at Fatima's Coffee after the unsuccessful mission at customs to try and get the bicycle. And it turns out one of my friends in the coffee shop used to work for customs and has a friend there. So I've given her the paperwork and she's going to try and help me locate if it's even here in Timor. And then also managed to track down someone with the van to try and pick up a sofa that I've bought as well. So pretty successful. I should have just went to the coffee shop first of all. I'll know for the future. Just before I get into lunch, I thought I'd just show you this water system that we're using here in Dili. So this is a ceramic filter that sits in the middle of these 2 buckets. We put our water in here, it feeds through the filter into here, and then obviously you get nice clean water out of the tap. We were using the tap water, but it's very sulfury and didn't taste good. So we've now started buying gallons, which are initially $10 to buy the bottle full up, and then when you exchange the bottle, it's $1 each. So we get those delivered now once a week, all good. So I'm gonna crack on, grab some lunch, go and meet a friend, have a bit of a talk and a coffee, and then yeah, maybe head out to Cristo Rey. Okay, so just off to my meeting. It's nice and close so I can walk. And then after that, I'm going to go and pick up the new sofa at 4 o'clock. So looking forward to getting that in the house and having somewhere nice and comfy to sit.
So if you want to, come and hold me. Yeah, I know you need some cure for all the pain. What can I do? I can fall.
So even for me, 2, well actually 3 coffees in one day is probably pushing my limit. So I've gone for this coconut, $1.50. Super refreshing. Okay, so meeting done. Now off to pick up the sofa. So I'm walking back to the cafe to meet the person that's got the truck. So yeah, my friend managed to wave down someone that was passing in a truck, exchange numbers. So I'm going to go and meet that person now, head off, get the sofa and a few other bits that I've got in storage here, and then get them back home.
I see the light flickering beside your curtain's eye. This joy is love, love, love.
Ang serviço barato? Ito ang.
Serviço barak.
Barak.
Ituan din. Hebat ituan.
Nas. Paano ba?
Ya?
Paano ba?
Iya nih di luar.
Dili?
Di saya. Boleh kah? Terus ini be.
How's the Nova Zealandia?
Oh, ini besar lagi.
I keep falling, falling, falling for you, falling for you. This joy is love, 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 love. This joy is love, love, love. Yeah, I know you need some cure for pain.
Okay, manners loss. Very hot. I hope you enjoyed this little insight. Definitely no time for a side call out to Crystal Ray today. I've got the sofa that we bought. I've got a couple of things from storage, so I'm gonna set all that up now. Have a cold soda water, a shower, get something to eat, and then start editing this vlog. So I hope you enjoyed this insight to expat life, or my expat life here in Dili, Timor Leste. If you did, hit the like button, drop me a comment below, and remember to hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers guys.
Falling